Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 earphones not working. First method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Privacy and Security. Click Microphone, turn on microphone access. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update driver automatically. Third method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Troubleshoot. Click Run under Audio. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.